Assalamu alaikum class 4. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 20th of April 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Fine. So in yesterday's lesson we studied about the concept of subtraction of numbers which goes up to 1000. Isn't class? So let's take an example. I have 7 space 62 space 043 and I want to subtract 509 space 567. Okay, my first number is 762 space 043 and my second number is 509 space 567. So Abdullah, you tell me what would I do? From which side I would start? Very good. I will start from right side. Now the first number is 3 minus 7. Okay, 3 minus 7. So class, is it possible to subtract 3 minus 7? क्या हम ये कर सकते हैं 3 में से 7 को subtract? No. So that's why we will take carry from the next number और ये क्या बन जाएगा? This will make 2 digit which is 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Fine. And I want to subtract 7 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. अब मैंने 7 subtract की हैं इसमें से. How many are left class? Very good. 6. Fine. The next number which is, यहाँ पे क्या मेरे पास बचा था जी? 3. अब यहाँ पर 3 है, so 3 में से मैं 6 को subtract कर सकती हूँ? No. मैं नेक्स्ट नंबर को देखूंगी कैरी लेने के लिए, लेकिन वो भी क्या है? 0. सो इस 0 में से भी जो है वो subtract नहीं हो सकता. मैं नेक्स्ट नंबर को देखूंगी which is 2 again. सो 2 से भी अगर मैं कैरी लेती हूँ तो नीचे क्या है मेरे पास? 9. So that's why I will take carry from 6. 6 से मैंने कैरी लिया तो यहाँ पे बन गया 12. Then again मैंने कैरी लिया, ये बन गया 11 और ये क्या बन गया? 10. बट मैंने अगेन जब यहाँ से कैरी लिया तो ये बन गया 9 and this will make 13. Fine. Now 13 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 में से मैंने 6 जो है वो करने subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Fine. Next number which is 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left class? Very good. 4. 4. How many are left? 4. Now if you look, there is a gap in between of numbers, so which indicates the very next unit. So 11 minus 9. Next number क्या है? 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 में से क्या subtract करना है हमने? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 subtract करना है, so I will subtract 9 9s from this and in the end I have 2. Fine, in the end I have 2. Now next number which is, अब यहाँ पे क्या था मेरे पास, जब मैंने 6 में से कैरी दिया था नेक्स्ट नंबर को, then I have left 5. Okay, so 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. Next number which is 7 minus 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 minus 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 मैंने subtract कर दिया, so how many are left? Very good, 2. 252 space 476. 452 space 452 space 472. Okay, who will tell me about how would we can read this number into words? Yes, Hadia, you tell me. Very good. 252,000 476. Isn't class? Okay. So this is all which is related to previous lesson. Now I am going to solve question number 8. And the statement is, write these vertically and solve. A part, I have 36 space 7 38 minus 12 space 849. Okay, I have first number which is 36 space 738 and second number is 12 space 849. So what would I do class? मैं क्या करूँगी? Very first I will write this into vertical form. Okay, किस में लिखना है मैंने इसको? Vertical form में 36 space 738 12 space 849. Fine. Now I am going to start from this side which is 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. So is it possible to subtract 8 minus 9? No. So that's why we will take carry from this number and this will make 18. 18 minus 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and 17 18. Okay, these are 18 in total and I want to subtract 9 from it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 मैंने subtract कर दिए, so how many are left class? Very good, 9 in total. If you look the next number which is 2. जब हमने कैरी किया था इसमें से तो यहाँ क्या बच गया था हमारे पास? 2. So again we have 2 and below 2 we have 4. So again it is not possible to subtract 2 minus 4 because upper value is smaller and the lower value is greater. So that's why we will take कैरी फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट नंबर विच इज 12 और ये क्या हो जाएगा 6. सो 12 minus 4. फाइन. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट क्या करना है हमने 4 3 4. हाउ मेनी आर लेफ्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Fine class. Okay. Now the next number which is 6 minus 8. Upper value is smaller and the lower value is greater. So is it possible to subtract smaller from larger? No, it is not possible. So that's why we will take carry from the next number. So ये क्या हो जाएगा 16 and this will make 5. Fine. Now we have 16 minus 8. For upper, the value for upper is 16 and for lower we have 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 16 in total. So what would we do, class? We will subtract 8 from 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Fine. Now moving towards next, which is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Subtract क्या करना है हमने 2. 1 1 2. So how many are left? 3. Fine. For next we have 3 minus 1. 1 2 3. We will subtract 1 from it and in total we have 2. So in the end I have 23 space 889. 23 space 889. Okay class, who will tell me how we can read this number into words? Yes, Anya, you tell me. Very good. 23,889 and 89. Fine. 23,889. This is all class from part number A. Now if you have any difficulty you can ask me. Okay. Now I am going to solve part B. Just listen to me very carefully. I have two numbers and I want to subtract okay. My first number is 256 space 704. 256 space 704. And the second number is 103 space 028. 103028. So my first number class is 256 space 704 and my second number is 103 space 028. So what would I do? According to statement, I have to write this first into vertical form. Fine. मैं क्या करूँगी, इसको पहले vertical form में लिखती हूँ. 256 space 704 and second number is 103 028. Fine class. Okay. I'm starting from this side, which is 4 minus 8. So again we have 4 is smaller and 8 is greater. So is it possible to subtract 4 minus 8? No. So that's why we can take carry from the next number, which is 14 minus 8. So 14 minus 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are 14 in total and I want to subtract 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 मैंने subtract किए हैं, so how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are left. Fine. Now यहाँ से कैरी दिया था, ये 6 था और ये 10 बन गया। जब इसको कैरी दिया हमने तो ये 9 बन गया था। ऐसे ही है। Now moving towards next number, which is 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I want to subtract 2 from it class. So 1, 2. Subtract मैंने 2 किए हैं. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are left. Fine. Okay. Now the next number, which is 6. 4 upper and 0 for lower. So 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 क्या होगा? As it is आ जाएगा. ठीक है, 6 क्या होगा? As it is आ जाएगा. ये क्लियर है सबको यहाँ तक? Fine. Now the very next number, which is 6 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in total and I want to subtract 3 from it. 1, 2, 3. 3 मैंने subtract किए हैं and how many are left class? 3. Fine. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0. So my answer is 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. Next number, which is 2 minus 1. 2 में से मैंने क्या करना है? 1 subtract करना है and I have 1 in total. Fine class. This is how we can solve subtraction of numbers which goes up to thousands. Fine. Okay. Who will tell me how we can read this number which is in total in words? Yes, Sanan, you tell me. Very good. 153,000 600 and 76. Okay, 153,676. Isn't class? ऐसे ही है. टोटल हमारे पास क्या आया था? 153 स्पेस 676. So as you know class, when we from the right side we have first unit which is ones. ठीक है, so ones में हमारे पास क्या डिजिट है जी? 676. So we can read 676 as 676. Fine. And if you look, there is a space between 153 and 676. So 153 belongs to 1000. So we can read 153 as 153. So in total, we can read this as 153,676. Fine. So this is all class. If you find any difficulty related to question number 8, you can ask me. You have to do all parts of question number 8 in your notebooks. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz. Happy learning.